Crude oil perfectly behaved as we have expected and predicted few hours back with our Asia and Europe session update. Oil has now moved close to 72.2 zone, and likewise with natural gas, it is now seen 3.48, 3.5 zone. What to expect with the US session today from crude oil and net gas? And yes, the inventory data today for crude oil might bring further volatility. Which direction it's going to trade? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch this. Now, oil on the hourly chart, see it is retraced all the way towards the 100 period moving average. It is moving averages have now started to converge and see hitting the bottom. It is trying to bounce back. There is a possibility that it can again bounce back towards all the way towards 73. And once it trades beyond 73, you can say that now the bulls are back. See, if you connect the highs and the lows, you can find out it is still very much intact in this bullish channel. This was the retracement which we had expected, and now it can start to reverse. So if you now see it is staying above 72.5, 72.6, which is indeed previously also we have seen it providing it a little resistance, and now if it breaks past this resistance you can initiate a buying entry. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, RSI at bottom. On the 2 hour charts, if you notice, after the drop it is just consolidating its position here, not confirming a breakout. I think till 73 do not treat this as bullish. Only and only if you see oil trading above 73 you can say that the bulls are back. Moving averages crossing over here indeed is a very good sign for the bulls for the near term, and thus on the downside you have to be extremely cautious till 72 is not taken, and then 71.5, 71.4 is not taken. You have to be cautious with the sells. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards, and it appears it has lot much of room available on the upside for it to continue with the bearish bias. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, right now trading bearish. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See here, this was the bearish channel in which oil was trading, and now it appears it has tried to reverse, and now we are waiting for it to break past the critical resistances on the upside all the way towards 74, 75. I have mentioned several times in my recent updates that once oil trades beyond 74, 75, and then on the upside towards 76 and 76.4, you can just stay bullish from there. You can look forward to a greater rise all the way towards 78 and in fact $80 levels. What is happening here in oil? After showing this stronger move, now it has started to show a little retracement, and now it appears it is finding a very good support at 72. This already we have discussed, that possibility of retracement increased today, and that is what we had seen oil doing here. Stochastic has come towards bottom. Now look at MACD. It has seen a very strong rise. It is now crossed over, and thus I will say even if it trades bullish, this the momentum is going to be diminished. Remember, it has formed a double bottom, and it has lot much of room available on the upside. But right now I can say because it has seen a good enough rise, it is trying to retrace and deliver a bearish wave, which means more bearishness to prevail here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 4. Similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. Moving average is convergent here, not yet crossed over till 72. It has got very strong support. Below 72 is where you can expect slight bearishness. Below 72 is where you can expect 71.6, 71.4 as the next target, and 71 as the next to next target, second target. So that is going to be very strong support level as long as it stays above 72 and 71.6, 71.4. We have to be cautious with the sells today. The stochastic has hit the bottom. MACD trying to converge, crossover. It has not yet crossed over. It has still got room for further rise. RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily, look at daily charts. What has happened? See, it is still delivering lower highs and lower lows, and I think it has to, even if it has to retrace, it has to break past by 72 and 71.6, and that will confirm its movement towards the bottom here. Though if you look at the move here, see, after forming a reversal, just 3 bullish candles, what did we discuss earlier? That the bullishness getting diminished. Look at the body size getting smaller here. However, still it can bounce back. Remember, I am still having long-term bullishness here for oil, and once it breaks out beyond 73 and then 73.3 levels today, you can just stay bullish for here. Expect 74 and in fact 75 levels very soon. Stochastic rising. See, MACD has seen stronger bearishness for multiple weeks, and now it is trying to converge. Wait for it to cross over in order to confirm the reversal here. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to provide you the levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First is where to buy. Very simple, buy at 72.6. What next? 73, 73.2 at the first target zone, and then in fact we can see it moving all the way towards 73.8, 74. So yes, with the inventory data, it is possible that the trend can completely reverse, because see, it has done with the lows and now it can try to break out on the upside. So yes, if you see it is staying beyond 72.6, possibility of a rise will increase, and specifically below beyond 73, 73.2, you can just stay bullish from there. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 72.2 levels. Expect 72, 71.8 as the first target zone. And if that is taken, then 71.5, 71.4 is the next. If these two levels are taken, just stay short in crude oil. We are looking forward to a greater price correction. You can look forward to 71 and in fact lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas today, hitting the lows here. It is now trying to recover, trying to bounce back. 3.4 it is 8, it is yet to break, and I have mentioned earlier that this zone is going to remain the prime support zone. Now it is trying to recover here, and only buying entry now is above 3.54. So if you see now net gas trading above 3.5455, stay bullish. Possibility will be high that we may see $3.6 levels very soon here. Stochastic at bottom trying to recover, while the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, looking downwards, trading with more bearishness here, while the RSI is starting to look upwards. Coming to the 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar is the observation. See, lower highs and lower lows are seen. Let it break beyond 3.54, and then you can expect it to rise more all the way towards 3.58, 3.6 should be there. And if it breaks beyond 3.6 and 3.64, the next milestone for net gas is directly towards 3.8 very soon. Right now, I can say that, see, every rise it follows with a little dip, and now on the downside, the support level still 3.4 is very strong. Only and only if you see net gas trading below 3.4, you can expect more bearishness here. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour, similar is the observation here on the 3 hour chart. See, every time we have seen a rise, it is retraced towards 20 period, and this time again it is retraced towards 20 period. Wait for it to break out on the upside, and once it delivers a breakout here beyond 3.54, you can stay bullish from there. That is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy. While on the downside now, 3.48 is the level which is going to remain the prime important resistance here. Stochastic at bottom trying to recover. See, MACD after a good rise has crossed over. It is not such a good sign for the bulls here, because see, it is coming from a slightly higher levels in a good rise, so possibility of a complete retracement exists is strong. However, notice that it is not that it cannot hit the peak again. So thus, wait for a breakout, and that is the only strategy you can adopt here. As long as it stays below the critical resistances, you have to be careful with the buys or the sells. RSI looking downwards here. On the 4 hour charts, if you look at, see, 4 hour charts, similar observation, 3 through 4 bearish candles, diminishing bearishness, that it's trying to reverse. If you see it is staying beyond 3.54, consider this for a reversal. Notice what is happening. Every rise is offset with a retracement, and this is the median here. So it is trying to reverse from the median bullish channel, where the highs are now positioned at around 3.6. So 3.6, 3.64 zone is something you should watch out for. However, remember, a buying entry is only and only if you see it is staying above 3.54, where you can expect it to move towards 3.58, 3.6, and then 3.64. On the downside, the support levels here are pretty strong till towards 3.48, below which you can expect 3.45 as the first target zone. 3.4544 should be the extremely strong support zone here on the downside. Stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over after a good retracement. This can continue with the reversal process here. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the on the daily chart, similar observation. After a good drop, it is now retracing. Very important for a net gas to trade above 3.6, 3.64. See, higher highs we are seeing so far, and now this time it has come out of this channel, and it is a very good attempt by gas to be back into this bullish channel, where it can again aim towards the highs at towards 4.2, 4.4 zone. Too far a distance for it to cover, but if you look at the move here, see what has happened on the daily chart. See, first of all, moving average is crossing over here, good bullish sign, increasing body size, higher lows are done, and it is trying to reverse. So possibility exists that this time it can deliver a strongly bullish candle. Let's watch out. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. So considering this, what I will recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying above 3.54. Expect it to move towards 3.57, 3.6. and once it trades beyond 3.6, you can expect it to move towards 3.64. Beyond 3.64, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a round of rise towards 3.8 very, very, and then in fact 4.2 should be there, but these are distant targets. Let's focus on today, and that, as I said, beyond 3.664 is where you can consider more bullishness there. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 3.475 levels, expected to move towards 3.4544. Only and only if you see the net gets trading below 3.4544, you can say now the bears are taking off, and then the targets are going to be towards 3.4, 3.36, and 3.3 levels. Let's not hope for that. Possibly it may stay bullish. That is what I am looking forward to. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with the first update for the day. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.